this is Jessica. So, for the last few months, I've been working on an animated music video trailer for musician SONiA Disappear Fear, and I'm really happy to be able to share it with you guys now. On the screen, you could see some of the processes I went through to create this animation. I specialize in 2D hand-drawn animation, so I use a drawing tablet and draw directly onto Photoshop and then use Adobe After Effects to put in, well, effects, um, create some parallaxing, change the lighting, combine shots, and then use Premiere Pro to composite everything together. For anyone who's been curious about my work, this is a little snapshot into what I do. SONiA has just released a new retrospective album called Love Out Loud, which is celebrating 30 years of her career. And what's really interesting about it is that SONiA was the first openly gay folk pop musician in America, and her music illustrates and advocates for GLBT plus rights as well as the fair treatment of marginalized people. It was really cool to work on this project and to work with SONiA. I think she's such an inspiration for being able to live her truth and yet be positive and kind enough to want to share her experiences to inspire others to live their truth and to create a positive change in the world. Her lyrics are really illustrative and gave me a lot to work with when it came to animating the different scenes and being able to express the messages in her songs. I encourage you to go check out the final animation and listen to SONiA's music. I'm really proud of how it came out, and I hope you like it. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this behind the scenes kind of video and if you'd like to see more. And the usual YouTube stuff, thumbs up, subscribe if you like it, and share it with your friends. Anyway, see you guys later.